serious?
Thank you.
Serious, I can't believe I US for me.
Why? It's an hour and 40 minutes before I ordered it. But me know you staying. You're staying in from something.
Me never have to come see that.
I have to go and look the girl that cook my girl.
Which girl I cook?
We call girl gonna.
Really? You got jokes, huh? You really got jokes.
You good?
I'm here, not going on a break. Taking a break from this place.
How come you've done back a breakfast?
You'd have to ask Sean Moses about that, sir.
Hmm?
You'd have to ask Sean Moses how that go.
He wants you next year?
Boy.
No, that's seriously, I'm asking.
I wish I knew. I need to get a serious, a proper explanation about it. So it is.
This is where I would be until Monday.
So I'm here until in the morning and I go off tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. Who's that? Is that Slama?
Yeah.
Okay. I know I'm going to different stocks.
Never see that at all.
Hmm?
Never see that at all. Not paying that much attention.
Need something?
Hmm?
Need help?
I need what?
Yeah. I'm seriously asking if you need that with you.
Oh jeez, Sylvester.
Hmm?
Boy, oh boy. I'm telling you already, no Sylvester. I can hook you up if you need to.
I don't want to hook up.
I'm not the kind of.
I don't want
I'm not that
anybody.
kind of guy, man. I'm not that kind of guy.
And that's why I want you.
No. I can't.
By the way,
Boy.
if another butler had come over here,
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't have said that to them.
Okay.
You
So
can-
what's so special about me?
I told you I like you. No, I like you.
Sir Johnson, anything else I can get you, sir? Sir?
You sure?
Juice?
Last time I was staying at Ibeo Star, the waiter asked me that, and I said yes. I didn't enjoy my steak. I was in the restaurant, I didn't enjoy my steak. Get another steak done for me and take to my room, and he brought it there. And he ended up spending an hour and a half with me. By the time he left, the two of us were naked. And guess what? He gave my dick proper stuff. And he's gonna tell me, I've never done this before.
Well, I can tell you that I never have and never will.
And he expected me to believe that.
Okay. Glad I didn't bring any steak, alright? Enjoy the rest of your night, sir. I'll try. You too. Take care.